before crops were planted and harvested, before markets, money, and modern food system. The Iteso survived through knowledge of the land. The knowledge belonged to one group. They were called Irarak. They did not rule, they did not fight wars, but without them, the Iteso would not have survived. Who were the Irarak? The Irarak were the hunters and gatherers of the Iteso society. They understood animal movement, seasonal cycles, edible plants and medicinal roots, water resources during drought. In a land where hunger meant death, the Irarak were the first line of survival. They read the environment the way others read books. Hunting among the Irarak was not chaos. It was discipline. Animals were not killed for sport. They were hunted for community survival. And the rules existed are no waste, no unnecessary killing, and respect for breeding seasons. Every hunt carried responsibility. Every killed carried meaning. This was ecological intelligence long before conservation law. Beyond meat, the Irarak gathered what sustained daily life. They knew which fruits were safe, which roots cured illness, which herbs reduced pain, which plants were dangerous. When sickness came, people did not go to hospital. They went to Irarak knowledge. Their wisdom kept children alive. It kept elders working. It kept communities functioning. When drought struck, when animals disappeared, when land failed, the Irarak decided when to move. They guided communities to new water sources, safer hunting grounds, fertile land. Migration was not random, it was a strategic, informed, and deliberate. The Irarak were early environmental scientists. The Irarak did not work alone. They worked with Irarak, who protected hunting zones, Ecomolo, who depended on Irarak knowledge of grazing land, Ikatekok, who resolved disputes over resources. Each clan had a role, but survival began with food and knowledge, and that knowledge belonged to the Irarak. As farming expanded, as colonial system introduced borders, the Irarak roles slowly faded. Hunting was restricted. Forests were reduced. Oral knowledge was dismissed as primitive. But what was lost was not just hunting, it was environmental wisdom. The problems of today mirrors the past. The Irarak reminds us that survival is not about technology alone, but about understanding the land. Their knowledge is not old, it is ignored. The Irarak did not seek recognition. They sought balance between humans and nature, between survival and restraint. As modern system failed, their wisdom whispers a question. Have we forgotten how to listen to the land?
NITV Kenya, documenting change, inspiring communities.